Yes, mama, me and my papa them. I can't control video. This video 174, something like that. Yes, I can't continue video 173 for here. For today, I say thank you again. Thank you, my people, my me and my papa, my brother, my sister. Now when I'm picking this, yes, now when I'm picking this, I talk my thing where the 7th division give me. I can't transfer the gain what gain them for the Northwest region, the lucky what get them for Northwest. I can't explain thing what I know, my own opinion and the thing what I go through and thing what I know. Sometimes your own opinion will be different from my own. Nobody see me go query two wrong kind me right. Sorry. And one of them. Yes, I'm one of them. And one star video, one what you say when I make my video I talk through, I'm one of them. I know many things will happen. I know a lot of things. I know. Thank you very much. I end that video by talking about Okada. Before I talk about Okada, I can tell my petit frère then. Petit frère, I do version of phone. I will send video or send message too for our excellency, the new president concern something concern Okada for Cameroon. Yes, we need for change, we need for do. My idea today, they will pay me for getting my idea. You know what I thought, say no share my video. Don't like it. But take the information, don't tell someone for your corner for thing what they can talk. Yes, because I know what to talk about. When I go up, when I come down, or you will come to pass. If you watch my video for 2009, Martin will come to pass every day. And I told my team we community to go through. And I talk about the problem. I told my what it caused the problem. But if I put that gun down, calm down. I don't want to kidnap again for having. Election don't pan on kidnap again. You are right with the fan job because we defeat a family. All we know ourselves, we know everybody know man with the dwarf. I don't beg permission. When I be come out for Bamida, I go for palace there. When I get for work again, go for palace again. When I go for work, I go for palace. When I work, I go for palace. Now all quarter they come out. No man, no go for quarter. When I will see the ambassador, I will be inside. When I advise them, when I talk for them, they will come down. And the election don't make me know the person where they cause confusion for now. The election we don't pass, they don't make. When I don't know the killer them. Now we send people for go commit havoc. When I elite them, they fight for that position, for that political position. You don't show for now. I know man. I know when I don't understand you at all well. I know when all we the thing the same, all we grow together. Though I told my team when I don't understand. And they told me for different reasons. I talk about Northwest. Yeah, the 7th division where I go there, I feel no try to go through. But as I talk about Okada Rider, I track back small. Me Okada Rider from now. Me Okada Rider from our excellency, Mr. Ichimon Excellence, Monsieur le Président, Monsieur Issa Chuloma, je te dis pardon. Il faut donner une autorisation. Les motos taximan, là, il faut qu'ils commencent à l'âge de 45 ans. Il faut donner le temps aux enfants de créer une formation, qu'ils ont un emploi. Tous les jeunes Camerounais, le parti du RDPC a formé nos enfants d'être des souffleteurs, d'être des conducteurs de moto. C'est pas normal, un enfant de 15 ans va avoir une profession. Un enfant de 20 ans va avoir une profession, ce qu'il peut faire de ses doigts. On ne peut pas éduquer nos enfants à être les motos taximans. Ce que je vous demande, Monsieur l'Excellence, Monsieur Issa Chuloma, le président de la République du Cameroun, présentement, je vous dis pardon, il faut donner un peu, il faut signer un décret. Le premier décret à signer, ça concerne les jeunes. Vous avez été le ministre d'Emploi. Les jeunes ne veulent pas travailler parce qu'ils sont concentrés sur les mototaxis. Si je vous dis pardon, monsieur le ministre, mettez les mototaxis à l'âge de 45 ans. I want me, President, I beg you, say please, wherever you do, if you miss a meet of you, create a degree, may picking start drive Okada for 45-year-old. 45 years means you don't get experience, you don't really know life. Even if you take picking for 13, 14, 15, 17, 20 years, maybe Okada rather, may the CPT kind of use them. When I imagine presidential campaign where picking they are picking to go school, that mamina they come out house, they are part sick for house, they can't give them petrol. You see, they can't bobine their brain, they can't wrap their sense, maybe fools. And they made them put Okada for age for 45 years. 45 years means they picking out to get some sensory hit. You don't get handwork. If you get your handwork, you get 45 years, you got to do part-time job, but have handwork, get something to do with your fingers. Learn to do something with your fingers. Don't be concentrated on Okada. Now, whether they leave them for Okada, they can't use them, give them everything, they cause damage. But thank you a lot again that them too don't go work for election. You see, for Francophone stand, Okada, they go cash thief for election. Thank you. I'm begging one from President Issa Chuloma, maybe away for tu vas talk. Il faut vraiment créer les emplois aux enfants, qu'on les enlève dans les motos. I guess some brother one thank you special, Mr. Agwabala. Thank you, Mr. Agwabala. At least you are a visionary. I like you for one thing. The day I see Mr. Agwabala stand up the campaign for Chuloma, I discover say after everything. You know if you get some position, say we internet for crook because we don't say we crook man. But I don't see a position today that confirm you but you are a big guy. At least you are a patriot guy. Always go meet up Isa Chiroma as cover something for you. But when I see when I on opposition for Bamenda, Anglophone opposition when I party SDF. SDF you woman nobody Oshi Joshua nobody self. Belo nobody on self. Cabral will be the first person for talk say the Konas election. He green. I will put on my page now here the way green. Say don't come away number 3. You know say the election be correct. Or then confirm election. Or then talk Mr. Agbobala but now you don't start right. Thank you for Aklemuna. Thank you for your dog. I know see the Junjun man. Or you want find the last position for minister before that you want come over for this thing. You won't be talk come to go meet up the one. Come over to meet up the one. But now you don't go tell Chichiroma say thank you, Mr. Aklemuna. After everything you are trying, the matter all of us are fighting to bring peace for our country. Thank you, Mr. Aklemuna. You do well. Agbobala, congratulations for your effort. You work at the Oshi Joshua, you now work at Dr. Grammar. Oshi Joshua, in way they ask a question, he talk na big grammar, say SDF is well prepared to win election. He get one vote, don't pop you know vote himself. If you feel there for your own, they get that kind of contract, get billion. Young man favor popcorn. You do a popcorn, you get that kind of money to go do it for politics. Left SDF for people if you use SDF. Look at the way you can't take 1 year for SDF. Mr. Fungi died, you fired for being a president. What you don't do, I'm saying where Mr. Fungi died. Now the spirit for SDF that Mr. Ochi Joshua. That's not the spirit of SDF. If you do something, level for people if you do something. You don't take the party, you the work for presidency. You are contact, you take contract for president for presidency. Now they make contract for presidency. You are a worker in the government. Now what Mr. Atangaji Pokan for Bamda can president and CPDM Mama mia, he talk this he give me hard blood because how can CPDM man go can present SDF for your own campaign say they work together? It don't show. We will let una go join them now. SDF go join the Ocha Jishi. Una take order, una voice them, or una be una voice them. Una not reach one quarter for Isa Chiroma. Nature speak, the divine power speak. All of you are wrong people. You know, you do take people to a party. The SDF is created in Bamenda. You come, the platform you don't die. You can't take the party, go suspend them for your own day. Are you a SDF member, Mr. Ochi Joshua? Look the SDF result. Look SDF result for Cameroon. And then see where you don't talk. You get one vote, Mr. 1 vote, 2 vote. SDF not gonna date and I'm not there. Thank you, Mr. Agbobala. I love you. Thank you. Remove yourself from the idiot. I beg, Madam Regina Modi. You are a senator, a woman. You see, sometimes Abachi used to talk, say, why no kill you? I don't like that word, say killing. But Madam Muna, the senator, Regina Munzi, you can't back go, Ambassador Kashu, Regina Munzi. You can't go for bush, stay, come back from bush. You know, make some book. Men create employment for picking them. You mean as some book men and sell and milk get money. The money we don't give when I don't go flop box them. When I go enjoy now. Now transparency and digital. When I go apologize. It's a Chiroma when a stranger come for Bamenda can apologize. But when I be son of the soul, when no one apologize because Bamenda people are fools. Bamenda people are idiots. When I know if you apologize for them. I know the beg when I go apologize. When I'm talk true for them, when I'm have to apologize, Mr. Isa Chiroma don't apologize. It's not fun for wicked for that extent. When Mami did the suffer, you be Madam Regina Munzi, you be woman, you are picking the safe for abroad, or you know she don't fail. Mr. Munzi were asleep for they eat the cry. Who say a compound day? Who say a family day? When I say for abroad, or you culture don't lose. You there for that age, you still go for bush, the level you come out the run a book for make money, then give money for come make campaign, you come go pay people, meaning got flop box. Now election done when I go school, when I go and say professor now for come for election, some flop the boss. Anglophone, that's the people that are killing you people. The elite that you have in Bamenda. That's the people that are killing you. Madam Barros, now when I unwork that, when I come for some region, election day, when I the only opportunity for Mumbia for chairman and get new air, when I see come flop boss in Ghana the best, we put on no 47, I'm not saying they don't lose for play, don't vote. When I play, and I don't tell about Pobia, my people, it's a Catholic man. He want me to expose others, say, before go. That's an answer for reputation. When I don't come for some region, use people to say, na game. But I don't beg for Mr. Isa Chiroma. I know Radio one for you, but I told you that for preaching. I don't tell when I say if Isa Chiroma take chair. My party, America, they worry me. They say I can't make this video because I don't speak face me. I can't talk. I can't talk now as you don't can talk. But the two I don't tell you, I say waiting. My own power will plan for Bamenda. New president at the beginning for 9 to 1 year. I move drug addict for now hours. Now for that we should say I get talent. So I be king of the street. Now something I feel take a hele with my experience, my sabi, my resistance for street, my resistance for make video from 2009 concerning Anglophone problem to 2025 concerning Anglophone problem. I don't resist because something there from my mind. And if you want to meet me, I already tell you because if I start make video concerning Anglophone problem for 2009 till today, it means something that I want to talk. Then the experience before the one come for me, at the back when I give me 9 to 1 year, I'll feel move drug addict for picking for Northwest. No picking up with dog. When I give me the power, I don't want something I'll get power. I catch person I say I'm picking for no. When I give me the power, I will eradicate drug for Cameroon for 9 to 1 year. That's why I talk for Papa. I don't give the version for you. If you hear my video, I don't green. I green for work. I green for work if you didn't give me the chance for work. I feel that they can drop for Northwest for 9 to 12 to 12 months. Before 1 year, I don't work 70%. I don't show 70. We're picking they go see drug and I don't know if they because for example, people where they sell cocaine for $1, they work for me. People where they sell cocaine for cocaine, that drug, that bone the way the granum. That bone the way the granum, they work for me for Bamenda, they work for me for Bafsan, they work for me for $1, they work for me for Yaoundé. Now my children, I know the feel that they get them. I know about drug, I know about that petty thieves. I know everything because I'm a king of the street. I've grown up for street. I've grown up for street. Casino and Jambo. I've grown up for play trick card. You pick red, you lost. You pick black, you won. I like you to do kongia, mona, multiply. That's my business for street. I don't do miss. I don't take salary for government. That's what I did in the street. Prestigitation. Take from the rich and share to the poor. Then that's my profession. I don't pay taxes for Bamida for 37 years. I get that for explain because I don't pay my money for develop the country. I get that for talk. Don't I talk with the experience. I don't talk with the mouth, my mouth. I don't tell when I know they will give their own national cake money. Some people take and put out for their pocket. Can the flop bar boss when I clap for them say now when I elite, now when I mayor, now when I senator, now when I contractor, with the key when I every day. There is now them the key when I for Northwest. Then this time as a person take expired rice. Where country then did not for chop the rice. Can't jump for campaign. They do all way. Maybe I damage loss. Maybe I die, we don't know the truth. They don't know the truth. All the money now for their pocket, and they are no one of the way to be billionaire. A country where CV7 are billionaire is a crime. Bantuka, I don't tell my people, after Paul Biya, then go regret. I prove to now the regret. Don't we know our problem, our people? We feel solve our problem by ourselves. We don't need to go ask for man me. The Francophone are suffering now. With this Francophone don't discover the problem we don't fight them for 9 years. Now we Francophone they enter the game. Now we Francophone they enter the game. They see they now for the level where Anglophone be start. No, they didn't for level for stone. Bamda be start now for stone. After stone they bring colas. After colas they bring gun. The one don't start. Me we no enter the palapala. Mr. We don't tell you we come today for injustice. We come to get injustice. All thing na nyama. Don't we go for use that nyama too. If you don't for us the way you want to do fine work, it cannot work. Mr. Chiloma don't win. But the few day way they happen, the election way they come. If Chiloma don't put them for fine way, we know we still never make Chiloma rest. Yes. Cameroon don't discover say Chiloma is our Chiloma the fight for can serve we. It's our president. He didn't give for serve we. Means that now we labor that they go work for we. That's how he did. When I know when I right. When I know when I write, when I don't for have the way say, make some man don't go school. Now the big fool and that would not make it go call them say, well, they don't go school. Now big fools. Because this Anglophone problem with the election, no one ever talk say why they say they vote for my village for who vote for my village for 5,000. All the strong point because now the elite for Bamble the same money for them for abroad. I don't tell one of my people. People go first say Pobia don't owe. Pobia and active man, they don't win ye. The very people say no, Chiloma never win ye. That want to be election. Chiloma never because they know say if that people don't come out, they know see get sponsoring. They know say if they move there the SPGM, they know see get sponsoring. My people, the Anglophone problem, why don't tell you have more than 150 videos, we now remove CPGM from the land. I don't persist it for more than 10 years. We now remove CPGM from the land. Now I'm one of them. Now they cause problem for the land. They take picture of a person, show them for picture. But I don't tell you Paul Biya hand in over put that vote. And for good English, the mayor is the representative for the people. Don't we get complaint for your land? You begin for go talk for Mbe. Mbe talk go talk for mayor. But all we don't say they don't chakala everything. When I stop for the question on Mbe, when I don't see the way election take place, no Mbe no vote CPDM. When I see election, no Mbe no vote CPDM. No Mbe no vote CPDM. You fit talk say no, you go vote some person. When I see Oshi Joshua, when I look your campaign, good English, but you know for yourself. You get 1, 2, digital. Una ask, una bamena wepe una say na SCF. Una ask SCF say you vote who? Now another party that will be the pray me una go there before Chiroma bring this spirit. But when I see the SCF, bamena man no dey for politics. Now we don't enter now for democracy and sovereign. All Cameroon don't join for Chiroma. May we pray, meditate, make Chiroma take China. May we come do the work for now. I just start for work. And I know if you be mayor for Northwest, I know fit. I know me I get community. I know if you be parliamentarian for Northwest. I know fit. The one officer that will talk to for country opposition. I'm not there. I'm a rich guy. I don't tell my people. God create Shumenda, electrician, all man get own work. But my own work we God give me too difficult for chop money. I don't see one person who don't struggle in me where no day picking from beer, Brendan beer. He don't chop the money crest. The one that knows the difficult work for the war now for chop money. Now I suffer me when I start the fact when I see because the background is too much. I look for share but I'll share how. My money, I don't send money, I give you. I don't send money. When it's infinite, I can't buy such because the money will kill me. I'm too rich. I don't get time for come down. I can't work for you for it. For what? Yeah. When I speaking them gun and pursuit, I speaking them kill and pursuit. Where they kill, they are more. They picking them where they call and say terrorists. I don't ask one question. I don't come up with the question. Terrorists, where they country gone. Am I where they go to ballot board? Who is the one to kill in the public? That's the question. Yes. Yes. Be burning where I hear the bomb place. Why did the bomb place for Cameroon? What caused the problem? CPTM. They all have stealing. We never hear say SDA don't thief. We never hear say Cabral Lebi don't thief. We never hear say Chitoma don't. One thing, CPTM. Why they no council the party say they be nuisance? For normal election, they go for discharge for the competition. How can one party will get 9,000 complaints? How can one party will get 9,000 fraudulent game? No man to talk. No man to talk. Don't if now you be go take foul, you for year. If now you the old person take 30,000, you will hear bare bone. Watching try. Watching try immediately. But think for talk, where are them? Where are the intelligent in always? Where are the intellectual? Where is the barrister? When I went to Baramble for Kashi, we should get banned. When I went to me for Kashi, and I case up on the front. Yeah, when I be magistrate, lawyer, counselor, banker, and it's more power when I winter has locked up. But when the people where they cause the damage come out, no man should go. Beginning to go school, but not them get free. Them be free. But like and because they tie their nose. Why do you collect your why you hide your face? You get 5,000 something for tomorrow happy. You hide your face? Moga man. Child. Yeah. Who steal election is more dangerous than terrorists. Yes. For graphic culture, they don't lie. Lie in graphic culture is abomination. Now why the big when I say when I go back from our culture and tradition, I make video for 2009. I'm talking about the culture and tradition. When I go watch my first video, 2009, I'm talking about culture and tradition and education. 2009. Where I start talking about Anglophone problem. Concern culture and tradition and education. My sister, my brother, calm them, I don't persist. If I die to that, I die happily because I don't persist. When I don't want to listen to me because I don't get time for you. Now the 7th division give me power, give me nguriki. No minister ready for Cameroon. No minister ready for Cameroon. Where candlestick for no ready for your pocket. When I hear this thing fine. No minister ready for Cameroon. When you get candlestick from Northwest for your pocket. Why I want to talk about my own candlestick? Why? All we take candlestick for now. But I don't wrong now. I come to talk when I think what I know. You for applause me. But many people, you go protect me hard to protect Issa Chiroma. When I hear this talk, when I get to protect me hard to protect Issa Chiroma. Issa Chiroma finish vote. Then take the inter for crowd Chemo to take it run. The foolish army that work control empty car. Where some man didn't someone to do it like Chiroma. Our ngong head uniform people there for back empty car. Where Chiroma be all the go things. That's what I give for protect me. I talk now on a problem, thing I know and a true. I know it's not true. I say to I told and a true. When I know all the killer, when I know all them, why would I protect them? They are picking them for dormitory for young dollar for school where they take on money go bill. Education is Cameroon is free. It's free. But they can't close with our own school. Open private school, 170,000, 1 point something million. But with our own school, government doing it free. But private school can take them. Now them that don't go flop box when I front. The very people where they get that where they be share with our school. Now they flop box when I front. Now they go put that box when I front. One question: terrorists, I'm out with the tip election. They get for naked wood to one for junction. Yes, but don't beg my petty friend. Don't burn them. No burn their house. You will use that as property tomorrow because they get to edit them. I don't tell when about mayor, city mayor. When I see investment for 5 years. Less than 5 years. Less than 5 years, when I see investment. If they end at 10 million per month for 5 years, and if you do that kind of work. And I want to know, you don't flop, you brother, yeah, brother, I'll get picture, eh? I'm talking with the image here. Yeah, you brother, flop box them. Well. But one question again. Man, where the carry country gone? See, be terrorists. And man, where tip election. Who get for being naked in the public? And now we're francophone, they don't discover problem. We manage BBC, we don't clap for we. Now we're francophone, they commodity here, the pen where we don't go to for 9 years. Now we're francophone, they see the pen. Now we're francophone, they talk about la lumière, l'eau, la route, l'internet. Now we're francophone, they clap for 2025. We manage BBC, come clap for 2016. Now people, where are the intellectuals for Norwest? When I thought they say, no, for English, for that English, Lord, see, big head like my own. Some my friend come out, coach me, say, don't go fire me with my big head. The one glad that coach, you will get head the cost of my head. That's not insult. You don't make me, I know, say my head carry a lot of things inside. A big means say something inside big thing. No be insult. I don't tell that cinema where they insult me, I like you because you give me the morale. But now the guy appreciate me at the fear because if you like me so way for back, you are a demon. I have no time for that. King Baron is very busy. Pim, chewing, I don't go me. Yes. That's the time. We Bamina man we go school. Therefore they take that phone. Ride for foreign observer. We not ride for everywhere. We not ride for the whole world. See what happen for now. We not ride. Massa. But I not say the whole world is see what happen. I wanna not say Philemon now the president for African Union. And the African Union, they stand for come control election for Cameroon. They already went report for African Union. Now while I don't put a picture of my page concern election, more than 70 page, 70 image. I give a put a 100 because I get the picture too much. Yeah, when I was put them, made the African Union where they come for control, made them give their own report. Only one party cause confusion for all the polling stations. One party. Were fraud, arrestation, exhibit 1, proof, no magistrate no talk. Exhibit, they catch them, move, no man no talk. But as a thief foul, they more born you say we are thieves. Why are we killing our innocent children? Yes. When the one that the one key Chiroma so because Chiroma come for Bamela apologize tell when I have government work. Now what are the one key Chiroma? You can Bamela tell when I wait till the tell me talk, wait till the do when I all thing I think I put it one. Now what are the vex we? But that's some poor comment say go kima. When I look result for that's some poor flopping of the box. I wanna not forgetting the Ambazonia issue get that some poor minister. Now Ambazonia put some poor minister. When I hear their position first, Massa. Yeah. When I say Ichiroma, in never election, who's our France day? Who's our France day for the election? When I come in France, when I France, say when I go there. When I one day they say now French people to do so, now Pobia had no day. Pobia never tell no man say vote me. Pobia never tell no man say vote for me. Pobia never tell no man. Chiroma they talk about election, say don't win. Pobia never talk say in a lie. Pobia never talk. Now different man they talk with Pobia. Aye, massa. But when I remember, the power belongs to the people, not to Atalanji Paul. But the election don't give them some good lessons. You can fool people all the time, but sometimes you know fool people. They don't make a minute no say they go chop their money to do different work. When I see you they do from Galajira from Kambe, then embrace it do what when I see election. The money is not all about. If you want to get a position, pass through somebody get position, share idea. You know, get money today talks you too much. You know they do the right job, but you are the best. Galajira is the best. Now the early region that way succeed. That why I call Galajira is the best Anglophone child. The best Anglophone where does this Anglophone work for 9 years. You get peace for land for 9 years, you are fun from Kambe. And Mayor Shea, at least some people do good appreciate. Mayor for Irene the best, but I don't hear say don't say kidnap for Irene. Fun for Irene, they don't say kidnap for your place. Why? whole country meeting, man. Don't bring that thing for your play. No, the tea land. I mean, people when I know the tea on land. When I get very fine land. Ambassador, I know there for my 12, you know there for Akuma, you know there for Santa, you know there for Martha's, you know there for many places. Them. Ambassador, I think for some play where these frustrated people for outside. I don't tell when I don't want to win the vex. Same pub and make pub and the best. They're confused because they take that money, share them too for them. Now why would they catch them? Then if you bring that money for table, they are prisoners. That money plenty for their pocket. All they are billionaire. I don't tell about Matoya, man for this. He don't. He flop the 9 box. Matoya always flop the box. You are not serious guy. You are not serious. You go there for some post for how many years? Now you won't be Anglophone. Now you want to go school for now. Where's Matoya? Why would I do so now? Why not do so? Madam Munzi, you are age. You are age woman. Look, you are age. Children are not going to school. Your children are living abroad. Their grandparents stay for dormitory. You can't take poor people that are picking according to you, they are poor. You can't take boss flop and be senator for CPDM. Are you not ashamed grandmother? Are you not ashamed mother? Master, when I begin this book, you are picking the abroad, if talk for you. You are picking every talk for you, say mother is not good. You are cursing their generation. Meanwhile, you are cursing your generation being alive. You are alive by cursing your generation. You will tell them money to Madam Munzi. Pamuzi want that living money. You are picking the say abroad do all thing. You see come the flop boss for this condition with Bamda people to go through. Master. Yeah, but I thank God because nature block on our brain. When I forget for lock internet. Now for the way Cameroon now cash when I for na show. When I dinner for block internet, thing then come up for upside. When I go to Nahana, image are upside. Everybody is seeing everything transparency, digitalization and transparency. But that people could those. Oh boys, one spirit boy, one spirit, one love. You understand? You understand? One spirit, one love. You understand more than me. Yes, one spirit, one love, oh boy. But at least when I put that thing for damn pretty, I know see you define your background, it's true. But those in a risk work. I never talk saying a bad job because anything we do is fine. Now today we didn't catch you, we don't say it was not fine. Any man would do something a fine thing. Now we go hook, we don't say it was not fine. I don't tell you say no do your work. I don't talk say Ambazonia activists, Ambazonia separation, and Mahano did it in our own idea. Mano Adzie, at the time I think I go through for 7 years, for the 7th division, I talk to I know I'm for Northwest for 40 years. That's my own problem. At the time I think what caused the problem. I'm not talking about the problem, I'm talking about what caused the problem. Since 2009, where I put video for internet concerning when a problem for Bamenda. Resistance, 2014, I make video for my NGO for Batibo. I opened my business for Batibo for 1999, where they never could have Batibo route, where they pay 7,400 for go Batibo. While we never cut the route, I open NGO for Batibo, we never cut the route. At least I've tried. I know what I see me approach for me, I approach for myself all the time. Now what I get this skin where God give me. Because I hear some people say Grandpa Brazil fresh. I say, oh, don't God they fit me for my language. God they pay me. God they pay me. Money is not papers. Money is their daily activities. Money is your health condition. The way they feed, that's the sound of richness. I don't get another paper with a put figure on top. No, I'm a rich guy. Very bad rich. I don't negotiate that one. Yes. Yes. That's true. That money when I will donate and the bag gone. My people, as when I sense the runs that come, when I donate that money, help when I community. I don't tell when I say when I feel vote when I on mayor now, when I parliamentary and 2 forums, and then go president for palace, and then go vote for municipal election. Dangerous election to come. I don't look at you on the headline. Now your mobile phone. All problem for quarter, mobile phone. That school, then when they say government school, go snap a mobile phone. When they say school to return, green, go snap the school, send them for the medicine company where school go return. That's the medicine for Lucifer. Lucifer no one minute talk true about you. They no one time. Yes. When I say don't show more than 1,000 images with the stipulation, no man ever talk. But if they show picking and when they remove my poster, you will hear they go put them say bounty, a picking go enter for supermarket tip tomato. Ambroba, you see the movie close the all. But one question. Mawe tip election. And Mawe get country gun for hand terrorists. Who is dangerous than somebody? This is a question. Mawe tip election. And Mawe they use that gun. Who be dangerous person man? Yes. 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 But with the West African Union, they can get their own report. Yes. Yeah, the West African Union. Batibo. Ah, no, I don't talk about it again. When I only talk English. 1961, they will go Fuman, they put some document for done, they be there for document say, yes, a we not part the make error. Now we there for the sovereign. When I don't go for vote now, when I don't go talk yes, a we, when I see the result. The result is for your eye. Yes or we. You go put your own, you win. Now the very thing that they talk, when I left that when I think for 1960, the problem is now. I make last video tell when they don't call me confirm for me. And they bring problem because of woman. Now woman taking the go. I don't want to talk that again. I don't repeat my video. Yes, but when I want to make Bamenda minister no, very soon when I apologize will be very late. Chiroma don't show the truth. He apologize. I tell you, say he will come back go talk from bed and for Palestine. For they will apologize. But when I Anglophone elite, as when I hire for apologize, when I feel one apologize, it don't be late. When I feel one come off apologize, it don't be late. This is the truth I'm telling you now. Chiroma don't can show when I had to apologize, go get blessing. But now man be welcoming. When I apologize for our people. When I don't overhead them, when I apologize very fast. But when I minister, honorable mayor, when I apologize for our people. When I apologize for our people, I don't talk my own. Yes. When I apologize, yes, at the beg when I beg, when I go apologize for our people. Yes. When I know the truth, when I protect them, when I know all them. Yes. Mais le président, ici Chiroma. I don't tell you ici Chiroma. Me I don't tell me grandmama sir. Mpa Chiroma, you don't win your election. You don't go apologize Bamela and Green. Just prepare yourself. Talk me and fix Bamela very fast. We go and place the one go some place the fix place. Just fix Bamela very fast and then go apologize from them. Yeah, you love you. You don't go apologize. You hear your talk. Yeah, Bamela man don't give bless you. You go win. Prepare yourself very fast. Go apologize from them. And we place the one go some place the fix route. Fix with that town very fast. The money come off your pocket. Money day. We don't send them for Germany. Germany send them 2 times. The money day for fix Northwest. The money day. That's some part when I go for that when I videotape them. That's some part I can announce how many times money will they send them. A day. Money day for fix Northwest. May work start very fast. Me say, Antuka, what's that to go? Yes. When I know we live for Graphiland, an abomination. They don't live for Graphiland. When I see them notice them cover their own Issa Chiroma. I don't tell my people, when I know abandon me, because drive from my own compound. Why the one go talk, they say that I'm Anglophone character. You wanna drag me again now, when I don't drag me forever. Because play what commode the system my own compound, they say they talk like Anglophone. Because they look with they say with the Chris. I come for now again, they talk nothing what I know. When I know protect me, I know when I know key man, no take my talk with key man. I beg. But I don't tell you the world today is technology and communication. The whole world move now communication and technology. If you don't forget, you lose the way your pressure time. Yes. And when the country don't become Nyamanyama, enter the Nyamanyama too. Take place. Because where there's the injustice, it means there's Nyamanyama. No, she don't face the country go find. No, you go Nyamanyama so they get new president, arrange the thing there. Prepare constitution before you go enjoy. Now we do for Nyamanyama. Enter the game one time. Yes. But when I don't forget my people, I don't tell you. When I march back go for our palace, when I march back go back for our palace. Yes. Not be Bobia be the problem. Now we people be the problem. And Bobia never complain say they don't lose. Bobia never come out here someone say they don't cheat. He never talk he. Now different people fight for Bobia name. You be Bobia. Yeah, Bobia they don't dare for say me all man situation where that happen. Bobia don't dare say me all man open situation that happen. They don't give more than 100 billion for come make campaign. They can't expire as can for now. Or when I don't see them. When I take care, when I open my eye. Yes. And I don't forget the last talk. If Bamla no get peace, Cameroon can never have peace. Can never have peace. When I see the power for Ghost Town, $100 in the book only. If Bamla no get peace, my people are already tired. Next time, I don't satisfy the good. I've done your video. I don't give my own version with the fit and solve the problem.